Hello again, my friends. We're in the Gara Suites and Spa. Let me show you what the room is like and what you get for your money. In here, let me just close this door over. How you doing, my friends? So, this is the Gara Suites and Spa, just off Las Americas. It's a golf resort. So first of all, I'm a little bit rough, by the way. You'll hear it in my voice. I'm a little bit rough. If you've seen the live stream, you would know. If you know, you know. Right, so you've got the seating area, your TV which works, haven't used it. A wee place here where I'm charging up on my wee bits and pieces. Some British money, some Scottish money, sorry. Phone charging. I'll take you through here. You've got your wee safe. You've got, matron, you've got the bathroom, which I think is massive. I think it's very nice. Wee place here. Shower's very powerful and nice. Take your shades off. You've got all your normal bits and pieces. Hairdryer, towels and so on. The bedroom. It's 2 beds put together. I haven't even used it, to be honest. That's where the magic doesn't happen. The magic happens on this camera. So I've just been sleeping on the couch just because I'm coming in drunk, not gonna lie. But everything's decent. Aircon works fine. You've got a balcony, which I'll take you out in a moment, so you can go out from your bedroom area. A wee place to edit if you're into editing or just getting ready. Going through back into the living area. You go out to the balcony, you've got access to the pool, you've got access to the gym, and there is a bar as well. So let me just see if you can see all the nice places you can sit. It's not too busy. We're sitting in March, the beginning of March. The sun is warm, even though it's a bit cloudy. It's still roasting because I've got a little bit of bad sunburn. So you can go. The only thing I'd say is, right, so this door, I don't like this, because look at this. Hold on. Look, I managed to open that, and that's supposed to be locked. So this door doesn't lock properly. It's supposed to click, but it doesn't. It unclicks, so it's a little bit sketchy, that. But hopefully all good. So there's your aircon and so on. I don't need it. I'm not really in the room much. But what do you think? I think it's pretty good for the money. So this was £290, that's your flight with Jet2 out, your Ryanair flight back, and the suite. You get breakfast included as well. So that saves you a bit of money and all that in the morning when you're like, well, where should we go for something to eat when you're hungry? That's avoided. So you can just sit on your balcony, watch the sunset, or go down for a wee swim. So I think that's very good for the money. What do you think? Have you stayed here before? You plan on coming here? It's a little bit out the way from the Las Americas Strip. It's about a 15-minute walk. I'm okay with that, to be honest. I cut across a golf course last night. Anyway, but so if you want to be a bit closer to the Las Americas Strip, maybe it's not a good location. But for me, that's fine. That's fine, not a problem. You can get little electric scooters as well that are outside. I'll show you that in the next video. And I got one of those last night. I got lost. I was on it for an hour and it cost me €20. So I don't know if you think that's good. It was good fun though. Half canned on an e-scooter, flying about the streets of Spain. It was a good buzz. But the problem was trying to find one of the VPs. You need to find a place to park it, otherwise you'll get charged. You get charged money. I think it's like a £12 fine. So maybe you could go about in one of those and get down to the Las Americas Strip and have your good night. But thank you so much for watching. And I'm rough, I'm shaking. Oh, I need water and no more alcohol. But thank you so much, my friends. I'll catch you very, very soon.